back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have several jobs that are hiring right now in 2023. All are remote work from home. Most of them require no college degree. I am trying to have a little bit of something for everyone in this video. So whether customer service is your thing or whatever, of course, I will try my best to have all of the timestamps linked down in the YouTube description box below, as well as all the pages that I share, including those Glassdoor pages if you want to go read reviews on these companies, and the job application pages if you want to get that application in. I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job lead videos, you give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know someone that these would help, feel free to share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, we have the company Healthfirst. Now, Healthfirst has 931 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a support specialist. Now, all of these jobs are going to be remote for the United States only. So this is going to be kind of like a customer service role. You're going to conduct outreach for newly enrolled members to review their current and approved services, their durable medical equipment, and any additional requests. You're going to review intake documents for pre-approved services and escalate any discrepancies as needed, completing the welcome onboarding and consumer personal assistant assessments, identifying any issues and risk factors that are required for any clinical escalations. So this is going to be a healthcare type position. You'll handle and accurately document calls to and from the members to assist them with any benefit questions, issues, scheduling their appointments, assessments, and that sort of thing. You'll handle any calls regarding insurance authorizations, referrals, visits, texts, and any faxed care plans that are needed. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED and some kind of customer service experience. They want somebody who can be a multitasker and work in a fast-paced environment, but no healthcare experience is actually required. It is preferred, but not required. Now, of course, most places that hire remote are going to be paying based on location and experience. Pay goes anywhere for this position from $33,300 on the low end all the way up to $49,920 on the high end. Now, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes your medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k, and paid time off. Moving right along, we have the company Lexis Nexis. They are hiring someone to work from home. They have over 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for somebody to do virtual customer service. Now, doing customer service to them means you'll manage large amounts of inbound and outbound calls. You'll follow up with scripts when handling different topics, so they will give you a guide of what to say. You won't have to just come up with everything off the top of your head. You'll identify the customer needs, clarify the information, research every issue, and provide solutions and alternatives. You'll seize opportunities to upsell products when they arise, building sustainable relationships and engaging with those customers by taking that extra mile. Of course, you're going to keep records and document all conversations you have in their call center database. So just straight customer service. No college degree is required, just a high school diploma. They want somebody who has previous customer service experience, great communication skills, and the ability to multitask. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position, and I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, just trying to help you find the best remote job for you. So pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Moving on along, we have the company Ecolab. Now, I've seen when I've been in public bathrooms or places like that, airports, those little automatic soap dispensers and paper towel things, a lot of those will have Ecolab labeled on them. When you visited your doctor's office, you've probably seen different things like gloves and all labeled with Ecolab too. They have over 5,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service agent as well. Now it says at Ecolab, they're trying to meet the world's most meaningful challenges by helping people achieve clean water, safe food, and healthy environments. They are looking for somebody to answer those phones, handling the Ecolab customer orders, service requests, and inquiries. They estimate you'll answer anywhere from 80 to 120 calls a day. You'll operate in their customer service software, embracing their technology while speaking with customers to execute their request. So you'll have some kind of computer system you're working in while you're on the phone with them. You'll keep a positive experience and you ask questions and listen to the customer empathetically, solving their problems and handling all calls in a prompt and courteous manner. Now they do have some flexible scheduling within this job. It says you enjoy the hours that fit your schedule, and they have a remote option. It's 100% remote. You can do hybrid in person. You get to choose what you want to do. Of course, on this channel, we're interested in the remote. They do have a career advancement opportunities within 6 months of your start date. And of course, your benefits like health insurance and stuff start on day one of your employment. Above that, they're offering 401k with a match. It says multiple shifts available. You even have the option of working full-time or part-time. So it looks like they have multiple shifts and you can work, they probably have something that works for you. Pay is going to be, again, based on location and experience. Pay goes anywhere from $14.50 an hour on the low end, all the way up to $18 an hour on the high end. Now, as far as what they're looking for, a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, great communication skills, somebody who can multitask and work in that fast-paced environment, and type at least 25 words per minute. Now, they do have some preferences that might get you to the top of the line. If you're in school or have a bachelor degree and you have 3 to 5 years of customer service experience, make sure that is on your resume because that might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but those things are not required. If processing credit card chargebacks and disputes is something you would be interested in doing, then this might be the job for you. PSCU Credit Union has 831 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a case management rep for their account recovery. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, they are looking for somebody to perform chargeback and dispute resolution process for their cards, their credit cards, their debit cards, handling those dispute inquiries, and provide supporting documentation in various systems while minimizing risks for the company. You're going to review electronic documentation produced from multiple sources to code transactions as either fraudulent or non-fraudulent disputes within the PSCU processing platform. You'll review, research, and initiate the resolution of the dispute inquiries from cardholders, credit union merchants, and internal departments, handling all aspects of that dispute process in compliance with Visa and MasterCard regulations. And of course, you'll send written communication, mail out letters or whatever to members and credit union to provide their case status on their disputes. Now, a few things about this job. They are looking for someone to start by October 3rd. This is a 100% remote position. The pay is anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $19.08 an hour based on experience. And of course, they're going to provide you paid training virtually online. Training will be 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for your first 6 weeks, so make sure you can adhere to that schedule. If you're outside of the Eastern Time Zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But if you're still interested in this position, they're requiring a high school diploma or GED. Of course, an associate's degree or something higher is always preferred, so if you have that, make sure it's on your resume, but it's not required. They do want somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, and 1 year working with some kind of payments is preferred, but not required. You do need to be able to work both independently and in a team, have great effective communication skills, and the ability to demonstrate excellent analytical skills. So be a problem solver, be organized, and be able to meet those deadlines. Now, one thing to note, you have to have a valid mailing address. That they are going to provide all the computer equipment you need to do the job, but they can't ship that to a P.O. box. All right, and trying to get a little bit of something for everyone in here, I threw in multiple different financial type positions. We probably all heard of the investing and financial app Robinhood. They have 692 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a payroll analyst. Now, one thing to note about this, they do prefer somebody who is in Denver, Colorado, who can come into the office sometime. However, remote work in parts of the United States will be considered. So I just kind of threw this in here since they will say you can work remote. But they're basically looking for somebody to collaborate with the payroll team to process payroll for all of their salaried and hourly employees. You're going to create and keep all payroll, time tracking, year-end process documentation. You'll help train the employees and managers on time and attendance, assisting with payroll administration and the company's 401k. You'll work collaboratively with the company's stock administration on processing the stock options for the employees, and you'll maintain compliance in the internal desktop procedures, registering with new states and locations for payroll purposes as needed. Now, they are looking for somebody who's at least 3 years of experience in some kind of a payroll system, someone who has experience processing exempt and non-exempt, so hourly and salary payrolls, someone who has the ability to maintain confidential information, and you do have to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the things. Now, pay for this position is very good. Pay is anywhere based on location. They do have the United States broke down by zones. Pay is anywhere from $24.65 an hour all the way up to $37 an hour. And next up, we have the company Wellth. Now, Wellth does not have that many reviews on Glassdoor, only 18 reviews. They do come fairly highly rated out of the reviews. They do have at a 4.3 out of 5 stars, but please, as always, do your own research on any companies before providing them your personal information. But they are hiring a member support specialist to work remote. Now, Wellth is a fast-growing digital health company. They are based out of Los Angeles, and they are leading investors, including Signal Fire. So they're looking for somebody to work in a fast-paced, high-energy environment for their healthcare startup, having a positive social impact. So they're looking for someone who's a passion for healthcare and the desire to help the company grow. You'll be the front line of their customer member support, supporting the members in the Wellth program with any questions and issues that they have regarding the program and address any tech issues they have. You'll take phone calls through the Wellth helpline, answer emails, and send text messages. In response to member inquiries. You'll also monitor member adherence and alert the medical care teams if needed. Now, they are paying $18 an hour. It says they try to be flexible with their scheduling, so they have a flexible work hours and flexible schedules. They're open anywhere from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time, so it looks like you'll have some flexibility in your shift there. They're looking for somebody who has great customer service skills, strong time management skills, someone who can be a positive attitude. And of course, because this is a health app and health program, you got to be tech savvy, being familiar with both Android and iOS. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.